walk through the gates. Head in the stars, dreaming of a race. If you in my hood, then you out of place. Cause I heard the feds was building the case. Come in the cage and he getting cooked. I been in my bag like a history book. My gun in her bag, I don't gotta look. Come with your pack, that shit getting took.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RonDaGreat back here with another video, and today we have feature with my brother yeah, how your YouTube channel name? Would have to go put it. What name? Alright, so I don't know what I talk about, but yo, would have to go put it in the description. I must send me a link to it because the man name hard to find on YouTube. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, the post it up better and you want to see it, dog.
And what happened?
Yeah, we must just like come up and start in that. So
yeah, so when you get him to 50 subs. Anything you want to get him to, yeah, we're on a damn break. When I see this? But anyways, what we are going to do for a little vlog today?
Yo, what we are doing is that we're going to go like and say, yo, which for my anti-money there and them shit there, see me? So
yeah, and then we are going to do a smash or pass public interview.
But guess what now, yo, we're going to do the smash and pass, like, no, guys, you see me? So what we want to do is like and subscribe, you see me? Because I feature with RonDaGreat right now and things, you have to big up him, you see me?
In the description, I'm linked in the description. Anyways, I want to talk to you about look at thing. I know I did a post for like a month. I did say, you know what, when I take the break for Christmas and then come back January, which is 2022, when I go see the video here, so yeah, I there so I do my videos them and I put them down. So yeah, I come back on YouTube and everything now. But yo, mentally I there space out things, cause bro, literally when I on YouTube I gonna do videos, it just hard, brother, for monitor this, your personal life, with your social life and all of that. So I'm just saying, no, I get a break and then come back. So now I'm back and we in action. You see, catch the drip. My name say drip, dog. Watch the money in them earpods. Alright, we'll show them mine. Let's walk one, let them see. So, brother, I'm a proud big free like. But anyways, yeah, I go look for uncle, you see it, and anything, brother, big man, so we can't say cousin, dog. We have to say uncle. Yeah, we have to respect and honor the mans them. Yeah, but yeah, so me drip out and everything, back in vlogging time. Not now, after we do them 2 videos, yeah, and we edit it.
Yeah.
Then we go, I charge my phone.
Yeah.
And then we start do the 2 videos, then the public interview and the anti thing. The anti thing. You know, I be ashamed, them are shame me, brother. Them are shame me there, but yo, a content, so we can't really too shy up in this thing. So anyways, back early morning.
Yo, I like the thing and see me. I guess yo, we are coming in the future now. We are be famous and them shit, they get me. I don't want to stop it.
Yeah, that's weird. I never really want. Wait, I'm gonna drop them to you. Yeah, with my phone. Drop them to 10 on my ears, dog. So not far out. Look at that. 3 minutes? Bro, why do you come more than 3 minutes of my time? Yeah. Just too much in one. Which girl I talk? Which girl I talk? Alright. Dog is a more girl than me. Because me a one burner. Camera in that dog, don't mind him. Oi! Man, brother, the man I try to expose me on camera, see me, sir. Alright, but anyways, what am I do a locker? What am I do a uncle locker? Alright, so I realize I walk away is because I don't want to increase my shoes them. My hard work kid money I put in the shoes them. Yeah, I feel comfortable, but I don't want to break it. That's why I don't want man, you know. Mush it up. Oh, you never say that something. Man really want me step in a mud. I never step in a mud. You're mad? You know my white shoes, them you're mad, brother.
Dog. Seriously, like, why Andy, your shoes to that dog?
No, I'm not step on it, dog. I'm not stepping in a mud. I'm not stepping in it.
Yo.
Back in action. Bruh, I'm coming, bro. So tell them what get up on your channel, dog.
Oh, yo, even yesterday, yo, what I have like them shit here, that like, I'm gonna say we have post contents and them shit they about.
What? Tell them.
Like all them, yo, the first time I go up on like the road, you see me, I'm go like boom, me I got Spanish town and then shit there. I go so boom, we go to the woman and that and see the woman say, yo, sell me a lace. The woman say, yo, 3 bills. You know look at them money. You know look at one them. You know look at them.
Yeah, bro, for 3 bills.
Yo, get some of that, yo. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You see the lace.
Come on, this boom, boy. I should have
You
a
see the
tripod.
lace?
Yeah. Where I
See the
see?
lace, dog. The lace. I saw it, nigga, dog.
I know man, I sell for 3 bills.
You say that, I get finished in that, but yeah, the woman said to me, say, yo, buy a one now. But look on the woman, I say, like, yeah, that.
She want buy
No,
one.
me I buy myself one, you know.
You buy one.
I want me to buy a one. Yo, me look on the woman, dog. I say, yeah, she say. I chew a gas station. One girl and say, yeah, you know what is, come on.
Ja. You man, I try to finish you. Top. So, when you know, so the boy taken again. But me as a man, I don't like reveal my relationship them on YouTube. So we never say a woman on my channel. Well, yeah, you say a man on my channel, but like not my girlfriend and shit like that. So, yeah. Brother, you know what I said? No, free. From the start, dog. Me never put up with no girlfriend or nothing on my channel, dog. Because me know want to just come
Oh, yeah,
again.
for real, dog.
Mm.
Yeah, for your own this and that and then relationship.
Top. So me keep it kind of private, you know, Panama. Look like second hand shit.
Wait, there's a second hand thing here.
No.
You don't understand. Let me show you something. You see how Jamaican people does that? You give them bike and put in at their store. And them a sell it back to you.
Yeah.
What that?
Oh,
Second hand. Okay. That's the third hand. Brother.
Oh, it's a third. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Boy, smart one.
You know the family part of the bike? The bike with 4, the 2 years back.
Yeah. Mustang? Oh.
And you know gangster vehicle, so they know that common car, they must carry out, they can out go back with that.
Oh, yeah, them on the. They got me creeping.
One. See that, see yourself, brother? Alright, so. Yo, fuck you, dog. I'm gonna plug this. Yo, you know that I'm gonna talk about so, yo, how we actually like achieve things. You know, something that is, as in like we grew up. No, like you know that we grew up in that. Like check the story that we grew up, right? Yeah, featuring Duvi, as in me on YouTube. Someone like I hit the like subscribe. Show your drip. Yeah. You see me? So me I saying that, you see me like we grew up. Yo, you me saying that. It's like, yo, fun, yeah, feel like, you know, situation. Yo, anyways. Yeah, someone did. So when I'm saying that, it's like all grew up, you see me? Like all grew up in like a world or could get things safe, you see me? I would have work feet and them shit there.
You have the camera for me alone and make it look like say I'm me at
No, me I talking at that. So I guess that I say it's not like we grew up in like a wicked world, right? We try to survive, we get things by ourselves and them shit there. So she say, oh, we're independent and then fuck there. Well, we can't go through some tragic things and then fuck with it. And no, dog, that before walking a dog. No, I guess most of the time, dog, yo, most of the time, we could even relate and we could even think, say, yo, I go get it, you see me? But no, she say, yo, we are strive. You know, so I gotta look pound, we are what dog, or we are push a gun. Tell them now, you need. But we, you see me, we are do it, and yo, you see in the future, we name our daddy. You see, we now just make that video so we can like and subscribe and make it so, yo, we can relate to we and see where we are come from. You see me, so. Yeah, yo, tell them where you come from. You see me? yo, so that, yo, more on the like and hit the subscribe button. But guess what, no? I don't really have to make one long video because, you see me, I don't really think, say, yo, when I go, you see me, support and shit like that. Because I think we have some plan for though. And, hear me, I say, no? I say, yo, we have a feature with RonDaGreat. Yeah, so you see me?
No, nothing, brother. No, nothing. Yo. Yeah, I know, like. Yeah, bro. We just come from the uncle's eat. I head back home, get my phone on charge, and then we do the other videos. Them. We slap 2 videos today. I try to slap 4. So so. I try to slap 4 videos today, but is them? Yes, sir. Yeah, man, but anyways, yo, right in the video, yeah, so right in the second video, yeah, so right in the video, yeah, so right in that video, guys, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell if you're new to subscribe, and remember, subscribe to them money, I tag it in the link, tag it in the description, you see it, so get him to 100, anything you want, get him to, you see it. Alright, peace out.
I walk through the gates, head in the stars, dreaming of a race. If you on my hood, then you out of place. Cause I heard the feds was building the case. Come in the cage and he getting cooked. I been in my back like a history book. My gun in her bag, I don't gotta look. Come with your pack, that shit getting took.